everyone, we just received our Cradlewise crib and I cannot tell you how excited I am to be unboxing this right now. For a while I was searching for a crib and bassinet for Malik and came across a Cradlewise, and once I did I couldn't find anything else that compared. It comes with everything you need in terms of the tools to build it and cute messages inside of the box, which I found adorable.
Babies are cute for a reason. Their chubby cheeks and intoxicating smell appeal to all of your senses, making you want to cuddle them.
I love that you could really tell that this crib was packaged with the utmost attention to detail. Speaking of details, let's get into the Cradlewise. The Cradlewise is a smart bassinet crib conversion with a built-in monitor, camera, sound machine, and it's proactive and self-soothing, meaning it gently bounces up and down as opposed to side to mimic my rocking motion, unlike other bassinets. It could be used up to 2 years, and it's also Green Guard Gold certified, which is super important to Brandon and myself. Obviously, we're not expecting for this crib to do all of the work. No one should expect that. However, its many purposes are going to be absolutely helpful. It looks so comfy and relaxing to be in. I can't wait for Malik to get here, but for now, the stuffed animal will do. It actually didn't take us very long to put together either. Brandon is injured and I took several breaks, but it was still super easy. Thank you so much, Cradlewise. If there's any new parents that want to follow along with my experience, follow me on here and my YouTube channel. Have a great day!